Hey, this is virus update for August 18th, 2021. In Clear Lake, California, restaurants are going back to don't come in here, we'll bring it to the door. You know, eat in your car, parked in the parking lot, or even better, pick up your shit and go home. And we talk of vaccination updates, a third for people taking the Moderna and the Pfizer, a second one for the people who had the Johnson and Johnson vaccine. I predict COVID vaccination is going to be the new flu shot every year. And there's going to be other variants, other mutations that are just enough different. So get used to wearing a mask, social distancing, and as soon as boosters are available, in the arm, baby cakes. Oh, the governor of Texas has COVID. My heart cries pink Kool-Aid for him. But only one or two drops. Good night from California. Mask, vaccinate, wear gloves, socially distance. Unless you want to die. In which case, do it before the next election, okay? Good night from California. Stay safe.